Hello world, if you're flying through Taiwan, welcome to Taoyuan International Airport, the largest international airport and the main gateway into the country. Whether you're arriving for a vacation, catching a connecting flight, or having a long layover, this airport has a lot more to offer than you might expect. In this video, we're taking you on a full walkthrough of Terminal 2.
Before we begin, here's one useful thing to note. Taoyuan Airport currently has two operating terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Terminal 3 is still under construction and is expected to fully open by the end of 2027. If you simply want to explore both, don't worry, you can. The airport provides free 24-hour shuttle buses between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. They're about 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles apart, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes taking the shuttle, depending on the traffic around the airport. There are also indoor connections through the airport MRT station area, making it easy to move between the terminals without leaving the airport grounds.
Okay, now let's focus on Terminal 2 since we've had a few layovers here and loved it. It first opened in the year 2000 and mainly serves EVA Air along with many Star Alliance airlines, including China Airlines, United, Delta, Japan, Singapore, and Asiana Airlines, making it one of the busiest terminals in Taiwan. This terminal is bright, modern, and spacious, and probably the coolest airport we've been to so far.
So this airport was kind of under construction the last time we were here. And each seating area has its own theme. This is the only thing that was open last time. Yeah. One of the things that makes Terminal 2 so special is that it's famous for its completely free themed lounges. Unlike airline lounges that require a membership or business class ticket, these are open for everyone to enjoy. Each section near the departure gate celebrates a different part of Taiwanese culture, and exploring them almost feels like walking through a museum, which is pretty cool.
In Gate 1, you'll come across the forest theme called Wonderland, filled with colorful trees, playful decorations, and a relaxing seating area. Next door is their shop with cute wooden figurines and such. Oh, it's right. If you're a fan of cute characters, don't miss the Hello Kitty and Sanrio Wonderland in C2. This has become one of the airport's most photographed places with adorable decorations, colorful seating, and plenty of photo opportunities. Right next to it is the Skyline Aviation Lounge, another great place to relax while watching aircraft outside.
As you continue walking, you'll pass by the Tasty Taiwan Street Food Lounge, showcasing many of Taiwan's famous local dishes through creative displays. It's a nice introduction of Taiwan's food culture if this is your first visit. Next stop is one of my favorites, Metaverse Lounge, where interactive digital displays create a futuristic experience that feels very different from the rest of the terminal.
You'll also find smaller themed spaces dedicated to traditional Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese characters, Taiwanese pop music, and several beautifully designed relaxing areas inspired by Taiwan's landscapes. Seriously, each lounge has its own personality. Instead of waiting at a crowded gate, you can spend your layover exploring these unique spaces, taking photos, or just relaxing somewhere quiet. And speaking of food, one snack you absolutely have to try is Taiwan's famous wheel cake, sometimes called a wheel pie. Look for Matsu Village, located near gates C3 and C7. These are freshly made throughout the day and cost around $10 for a combo set paired with a milk tea. They're warm, sweet, and fluffy, and honestly, we never miss our chance of grabbing some whenever we have a layover here.
As you continue exploring Terminal 2, you'll also find cafes, bubble tea shops,
Where did you get them
Taiwanese bakeries, noodle restaurants, convenience stores, and souvenir shops selling everything from pineapple cakes, Taiwanese teas, which are designed gifts that you can give away as souvenirs.
You'll also notice how many cute stores there are, from Sanrio merchandise and travel accessories to Taiwanese themed gifts.
Now, here's one of our favorite hidden tips in the airport. If you're looking to relax before and after your flight, you can actually get a free 15-minute massage. Head to the airport pharmacy and simply ask the staff for a complimentary massage token. They're available on a first-come, first-served basis with 1 token per person. Once you have your token, head over to the massage chair area in one of the airport's scenic relaxation zones. Even better, if you continue all the way to gate C10, you'll find another massage at a resting area that travelers completely miss because it's located near the end of the concourse. It's much quieter than the main waiting areas, making it one of the best places to recharge during a long layover.
So how does it feel?
Oh, it feels so nice. Not gonna lie.
It feels great.
Between the comfortable seating, peaceful atmosphere, and massage chairs, you could honestly spend hours here. These massage chairs sometimes can form a line, so be patient and please don't do 2 massages in one sitting, especially if there is a line.
Definitely do not miss out.
Another thing that we love about Taoyuan Airport is that it doesn't feel like an airport. It feels like a cultural experience. Every section tells a different story about Taiwan, whether it's through art, music, nature, history, food, or technology. If you're connecting through Taipei, don't just sit at your gate. Walk around and enjoy one of the most unique and fun airport terminals in Asia. We hope this walkthrough helps you make the most of your time at Taoyuan International Airport, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Bye!